how to use Google Drive. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive easy and fast. So all what you have to do first is go to drive.google.com, log into your accounts. It's very easy, and then this is the home page of Google Drive. Now if you want to upload files to your drive, all what you have to do is go here to this new option, click on it, and if you want to upload a folder, click here, or if you want to upload a photo or a video or anything, just click here. And yeah, that's it. It's very easy. And if you want, for example, to buy a storage, for example, they give you only 15 gigabyte, all what you have to do is click buy storage. It's very easy, and all what you have to do, as I said, is click in here, or you can create folder from here, and you have many options. Don't forget to like and subscribe.